Welcome back, guys. In this section, we are going to study about the fundamentals of Python. So before we move on to the variables assignment and data types, I just want to share some important rules that how we can understand the Python code. So rule number 1, indentation matter to the code meaning. So I've already discussed in my first lecture, like indentations are very important while we are, working in Python language. So block structure indicated by indentation. So as we discussed above, like in Java, we use curly braces to indicate a block of code. But in Python, we do not use any braces or any parentheses. We just use a block structure, and which is defined by the indentation. So we have to take great care of indentation while writing a code. Number second, first assignment to the variable creates it. So variable type does not need to be declared. Like in Java, if I want to declare a variable of integer type, so I have to type x is equals to int and then value in the parentheses. But in case of Python, you don't have to mention the data type. Second point, Python figures out the variable types on its own. So I'm going to discuss and perform some examples in front of you. Just right now focus on the rules. So Python do not need to explicitly define the variable type. So Python figures out the variable type on its own implicitly. Assignment, rule number 3. Assignment is and equal to and comparison is okay. When we are assigning a value to a variable, we use this operator, which is the is equals to operator. This symbol is called as is equals to in mathematical terms, but in Python it is called as an assignment operator. And the comparison operator is double equal to is which we call as equal to in Python. So this is called the comparison operator, and this is called the assignment operator. So you have to keep in mind that the difference between these two operators. Number 4, for the numbers like addition, subtractions, or multiplication, division, and etc. are as expected. Special use of plus for string concatenation and parentheses for string formatting. So the special use of this addition operator or the plus operator is in string concatenation. When we want to concatenate two strings, so we use this plus operator. And same for this percentage mark or symbol for string formatting. So we use both of these operator in string formatting and in string concatenation. And number 5 rule is logical operators are words and or not symbols. So when we are performing logical operators in Python, so we are using the words like and, or, and not in alphabetically. We are not actually using the symbols as we use in physics or in mathematics, like and operator, or not operator. And the last rule and the very important rule is the basic printing command is print. So like if we want to print something in Java or in C++, we have to give a complete printing command, and the command is quite long. But in Python, the simple command is the statement is print. So the basic printing command in Python is simple, the word print, and with the enclosing parentheses. And if you want to print something, you have to put that text or expression in between that parentheses. So I hope you have a good understanding of all these rules of Python. So see you in the next lecture.